Hello everybody, this is the second part of the image subtraction tutorial. On the first part, I show you how to create a background image from a video file. In this second part of the tutorial, I will show you how to create segmented image or segmented video. Basically, the segmented image is obtained by subtracting an image with the background image. If a pixel value in image F is the same as the pixel value in image B, we will get a 0 value and the represent as a black color. And if those pixel values are different, the result will be non-zero and the represent as a gray color. Please remember here, the difference is calculated as an absolute difference, meaning that the result has a value 0 and some positive number. Next, we can apply an image thresholding or logical operator to make the result looks better by replacing any pixel value less than 25 to 0 and any pixel value has greater than 25 to 255. To calculate the absolute difference between image F and the background image B, we can use OpenCV in Python. The CV2 ABSDIFF takes two inputs, so the first input is image F and the second input is the background image. Here I call the result as image G, which is the segmented image. Then we can apply image thresholding also using OpenCV. The CV2 threshold takes four inputs. The first input is the image G, and the second input is the threshold or the minimum pixel value, and the third input is the maximum value, and the last input is the method. The number 25 here means that any pixel value less than 25 will replace to 0 and any pixel value greater than 25 will change to 255. The output actually two variables, so the first variable here I call it as a GT, which is our image, and the other output is actually a boolean value, which is false or true, and here I simply name it as a underscore because I'm not gonna use this variable. Okay, now let us jump to Spider IDE and I will show you how to do that in Python. This code actually the same code as in video part 1. Here I only add the image subtraction and image thresholding process. First I create a metric or an array that contains all the images from video file, and then I calculate the median to create the background image. Here I select image number 200 and apply an image subtraction. Lastly, I apply the image thresholding to make the result look better. Basically, we can choose any image here, and just for this tutorial I only choose number 200. Okay, let us run this code. Alright, so here's the result. So first, this is the metric or an array that contains all the images here. Here's the variable metric A. The size is 584, meaning there are 584 images from this video file. And this is the variable B, which is the background image. And here I plot the variable B, which is our background image, and here you can see the result as the background image. I select image number 200. This is our image number 200, and then I apply the image subtraction using the CV2, the absolute difference, and here is the result. And then I apply the image thresholding to make the result looks better. And we can choose any number. I will pick up maybe the first image and then run this code. Alright, so this is the image number, the first image, and then this is the image different G, and then this image after we apply the thresholding. And we can apply this method also directly to the video file. Instead of subtracting and selecting image, like select the image number 1 or the image number 200 and then subtract it one by one, we can use looping, such as while loop, to subtract all the images and then show the result as a video. So here I prepare the code. Basically, again, this is the same code as the previous one. Here I only add the video segmentation process. Okay, let's first I clear this variable and also this plot as well as this console. Now let me briefly explain this second code. This is the library that I'm gonna use, but actually I don't need the matplotlib here. And this line, the same, I create a metric or an array that contain all the images from the video file, and then I calculate the median value to create the background image. And here's this while loop. Here I read the video file using the video capture. This is same as the previously. And then inside the while loop, I read each image from the video file, and then I convert its color to the gray color, and then calculate the difference using the same method as the previously, which is cv2.absolute difference, and then apply the image thresholding to that, and then I show the result here. And this process is repeated again to the second image here, and then show the result and repeat it again until the last image from the video file. Okay, let me run this code and to show to you how the result looks like. Oh, so this is the result. Okay, very cool, right? So this is the segmented video using this simple method. I hope you found this video is useful, and thank you for watching.